What's up, people? My name is Komotar, and recently, well, they call me a vlogger. Sounds strange, right? You know what a vlog is? What I do is collect seconds and share them on a daily basis. About my background, for the last 15 years, I've been a motoring journalist, a photographer, and a director. And about a year and a half ago, it happened. I was looking at my phone and I said to myself, you little guy, you are everything I need. So I just pressed record and, well, it started.
Hello? Where are we going?
In Germany.
In Germany?
One Panamera, another one Panamera, Panamera.
Jaguar F-Face, Maserati. Stai! Alperas, Alpervisions, prima, ma che credi che Thomas? Hola! Viva Italia! Zdaj, če se bom že noter usedel, ne? Spravaš v meni. Guys, I think that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.